New Zealand is made up of two main islands, the North Island and the South Island, along with numerous smaller islands. The capital city of New Zealand is Wellington, located on the North Island. Wellington is often referred to as Windy Wellington due to its strong and persistent winds. The Maori were the first inhabitants of New Zealand, arriving around the 13th century. Te Reo Maori is one of New Zealand's official languages, alongside English and New Zealand Sign Language. The national emblem of New Zealand is the Kiwi, a flightless bird that is also a symbol of the country's uniqueness. New Zealand is known for its stunning landscapes, including mountains, beaches, and forests, making it a popular filming location for movies like The Lord of the Rings. Wellington is home to the National Museum, Te Papa Tongarewa, which showcases New Zealand's cultural heritage and natural history. The country is a top destination for adventure sports, including bungee jumping, skydiving, and whitewater rafting. New Zealand has 14 national parks, each with its unique ecosystems and stunning scenery. The iconic geothermal activity in Rotorua is a manifestation of the country's volcanic origins. New Zealand's government is a parliamentary representative democratic system, similar to that of the United Kingdom. The country's first governor was Captain William Hobson, who arrived in 1840. The Taranaki region is famous for its symmetrical volcanic cone, Mount Taranaki. Wellington has been named the coolest little capital in the world by various media outlets. Rugby is the most popular sport in New Zealand, and the national team, the All Blacks, is renowned worldwide. The All Blacks perform a traditional Maori haka before each match, a war dance symbolizing pride and unity. Kiwi fruit, originally called Chinese gooseberry, was renamed by a New Zealand exporter after the kiwi bird. New Zealand has a high rate of sheep, with more sheep than people, traditionally averaging around 5 sheep for every human. The country is home to the world's smallest dolphin, the Hector's dolphin, found in local waters. New Zealand boasts one of the highest rates of biodiversity in the world. It is illegal to bring fresh fruit, vegetables, or plants into New Zealand, aimed at protecting its unique ecosystem. The country is home to the world's first national park, Tongariro National Park, established in 1887. Wellington's cable car is a famous tourist attraction, offering stunning views of the city and harbor. The film, The Hobbit, was shot in various locations throughout New Zealand, boosting the country's tourism significantly. New Zealand is home to many unique wildlife species, including the tuatara, which is often referred to as a living fossil. The country has a reputation for high-quality dairy products, often exporting milk powder and cheese worldwide. The annual Wellington Chocolate Factory Festival celebrates local chocolatiers and chocolate lovers. New Zealand is the first country to have a country-specific domain name, .nz, which was introduced in 1987. The capital city, Wellington, has a vibrant art scene, featuring numerous galleries, theaters, and festivals. The New Zealand flag features the Union Jack, representing its historical ties to the United Kingdom. Lake Taupo, located in the North Island, is the largest lake in New Zealand and is renowned for fishing and water sports. The country experiences a diverse range of climates, from subtropical in the north to temperate in the south. Every year, Wellington hosts the New Zealand International Film Festival, showcasing local and international films. New Zealand produces some of the world's finest wines, particularly Sauvignon Blanc and Pinot Noir. The country takes pride in its commitment to environmental sustainability and conservation initiatives. In 2020, New Zealand successfully eliminated COVID-19 with strict lockdown measures and effective public health strategies. Maori culture is integral to New Zealand's identity, with local customs, traditions, and art forms thriving in contemporary society. The Southern Hemisphere's largest ski resort lies in the Cardrona Valley, attracting winter sports enthusiasts. New Zealand introduced a national cannabis referendum, marking its progressive stance on drug policy. The Hobbiton movie set in Matamata has become a popular tourist attraction, offering tours of the iconic film location. Wellington is home to the world's second largest wooden building, the Old Government Buildings. The country has an abundance of hiking trails, with the Tongariro Alpine Crossing being one of the most famous. Kiwis, as they refer to themselves, are known for their friendly and laid-back attitude,